Today, I'm going to show you how to update your DualSense controller on a Mac. Keeping your controller up to date ensures that you have access to the latest features and improvements. So let's get started. First, make sure your Mac is connected to the internet. This is crucial as the update requires an internet connection to download the necessary files. Once you've confirmed your internet connection, proceed to the next step. Next, connect your DualSense controller to your Mac using a USB cable. Make sure the cable is securely plugged into both the controller and your Mac. Once connected, your Mac should recognize the controller and display it as a connected device. Now, open a web browser on your Mac and visit the official PlayStation website. Look for the support section and navigate to the DualSense controller page. Here, you should find the latest firmware update available for your controller. Download the firmware update file onto your Mac. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder or wherever you saved it. It should have a .pkg extension. Double-click on the firmware update file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the update. This may involve agreeing to terms and conditions or entering your administrator password. During the update, do not disconnect the controller or turn off your Mac. It's important to let the update process run its course without any interruptions. This ensures a successful update and prevents any potential issues. Once the update is complete, you can disconnect your DualSense controller from your Mac. It's now ready to use with your PlayStation console or any compatible games on your Mac. Remember, it's a good practice to periodically check for firmware updates for your DualSense controller. This ensures that you're always benefiting from the latest enhancements and improvements. And that's it. You've successfully updated your DualSense controller on your Mac. Now you can enjoy an enhanced gaming experience with the latest features. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.